Hola, moi boas a todo o mundo, xentuza, que andades? Imos continuar hoxe o Inquisidor nesta campaña do Halo 2. Vamos a darlle duro. Isto é unha das maiores cousas que implementou este xogo, poder xogar co outra facción, non? Que é o Covenant, bastante interesante, aparte de como une as historias, bueno, xa me calou.
How much further must we heft this baggage? Any cell will do? Why not toss him in with this lot? They could use the meat. Them? What about us? My belly aches, and his flesh is seared just the way I like it. Quiet! You two whimper like grunts fresh off the teat. He's not meant for the jails. The hierarchs have something special in mind.
Ui, esa carita que puxo, sabe cousas. Podían por barandillas, non lles pasaba nada.
Noble prophets of truth and mercy, I have brought the incompetent.
You may leave, Tartarus,
But I thought...
and take your brutes with you.
Release the prisoner.
The Council decided to have you hung by your entrails and your corpse paraded through the city. But ultimately, the terms of your execution are up to me.
I am already dead.
Indeed. Do you know where we are?
The mausoleum of the Arbiter.
Quite so. Here rests the vanguard of the great journey. Every Arbiter from first to last. Each one created and consumed in times of extraordinary crisis.
The taming of the Hunters, the Grunt Rebellion. Were it not for the Arbiters, the Covenant would have broken long ago.
Even on my knees, I do not belong in their presence.
Halo's destruction was your error, and you rightly bear the blame. But the Council was overzealous. We know you are no heretic. This is the true face of heresy, one who would subvert our faith and incite rebellion against the High Council.
Our prophets are false. Open your eyes, my brothers. They will use the faith of our forefathers to bring ruin to us all. The great journey is...
This heretic, and those who follow him, must be silenced.
Their slander offends all who walk the path.
What use am I? I can no longer command ships, lead troops into battle.
Not as you are, no, but become the Arbiter. And you shall be set loose against this heresy with our blessing.
Ooh, baby.
What of the Council?
The tasks you must undertake as the Arbiter are perilous, suicidal. You will die, as each Arbiter has before you. The Council will have their corpse.
What would you have your Arbiter do?
When we joined the Covenant, we took an oath.
According to our station, all without exception.
On the blood of our fathers, on the blood of our sons, we swore to uphold the Covenant.
Even to our dying breath.
Those who would break this oath are heretics. worthy of neither pity nor mercy. Even now, they use our Lord's creations to broadcast their lives.
We shall grind them into dust.
And continue our march to glorious salvation. This armor suits you, but it cannot hide that mark.
Nothing ever will.
You are the Arbiter, the will of the prophets. But these are my elites. Their lives matter to me, yours does not.
That makes two of us.
Vamos, vamos, vamos.
Leader, there is no doubt the storm will strike the facility.
We'll be long gone before it arrives. Warriors, prepare for combat.
Con espadita, no me lembraba disso. Sí, baby. No,
We are the arm of the prophet,
podemos ser invisibles.
and you are the blade. Be silent and swift, and we shall quell this heresy without incident. The storm has masked our approach.
Cuando quiera,
The
desierto.
local battle net in disarray. We have the element of surprise for now.
Elemento sorpresa, que elemento sorpresa somos tres puñeteras naves que nos metimos aquí na súa base.
Engage active camouflage. Reveal yourselves only after the Arbiter has joined battle with the enemy.
Veña, estou listo.
You may wish to do the same, Arbiter.
Me encanta ahora a porta para o camuflaje.
Your armor system is not as nimble as
Camouflage.
ours. Your camouflage will not last forever.
Bueno, se me deixades pasar. Gracias.
Every grunt for that?
Ui, 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 ui. Esperaba máis cadencia de fuego, a verdade.
Blazing flame!
Merda. Ah, quieres dos meus. Sinto, mau.
Tricky, tricky.
Como non se pode decatar de que matei o seu compañeiro xusto ao seu lado.
Is that all?
Vale. Perdíchelo bus, meu.
Sentinels, the holy warriors of the sacred rings. Why have they sided with these heretics?
Where'd my gun go? Oh, right.
Uy. Solo quedamos nos. Hicimos una incursión de puta madre. ¿Cómo podamos quedar solos, no?
Sentinels, the holy warriors of the sacred rings. Why have they sided with these heretics?
Ajá, ajá.
They shall not see me coming.
Clear the hangar and open its doors, so I may drop the second lance.
Merda, estou só. Esto es algo.
I am making my approach.
Vale. Fixeron de dano a nave.
Kinship be damned.
Ainda quedan. Bueno, entiendo que tendré que ir por aquí.
I see one.
Merda.
Are you blind? I'll get you.
Había que ayudarlo, estaba sufriendo.
Front, bring up a mock. They shall not see me coming.
Ui. Hai moita xente de aí,
Camouflage engaged.
Sería capaz de pasar isto solo co camuflaxe, sin pelexar? Non o sei, Non, penso que eu nunca o intentei. Son demasiados. Tío, por que se me meteu este no medio?
They shall not see me coming.
Bueno, a ver si os meus aliados non me vuelven a matar.
Camouflage engaged.
Tío, joder, qué pesado.
Camouflage engaged. The challenge made.
Arbiter fool.
Joder, qué pesado eres, tío.
Arbiter.
You cannot hide.
Your journey will end before it starts.
Que máis? Iso que? Outra terminal, que guai. Que hai unha por nivel? Porque só atopamos dúas ata agora, se non lembro mal. Has activado el terminal 4 del Inquisidor. Logro desbloqueado. O monitor
Quite
sobreviviu.
unacceptable.
Aí nos vamos. Ah, que había algo aí. Non sei se xusto no planeta que había o carón
Glorious day.
estaban
The
estes.
prophets will be pleased that we have rescued an oracle from the humans' violation of the holy temple.
Why do you keep calling it a temple? My installation was a weapon, and one which we needed very, very badly.
But Oracle, I do not understand. We were told the rings are salvation, a gateway to paradise.
Told? By whom? Anyone who told you that is a fool, or quite mad. That installation was a beautiful tool, designed to destroy everything the Flood might feed on.
Everything?
Oh, quite everything. And if even one Flood spore survived the destruction of my ring...
Communications. Shut down all lines to the fleet. We will not notify the prophets of our discovery until I hear everything this Oracle has to say.
I will gladly share what I am permitted, but we have little time. What has been unleashed here could destroy everything you have ever known.
On that, Oracle, we are in agreement.
Literalmente estaban debaixo do jalo. En serio. Bueno, vale.
No one see me now. Danger! Prophets no light, me no light. Run, enemy! Run!
Que non é divertido, puñetero láser, eh? Cala, estás morto. Uf, o puñetero láser ese, eh? Hola. Yeah, baby.
What's wrong? You scared?
Uf, eran moitos. Aí teño que tirar unha granada, senón non paso. Uf, parece que quedou, eh? Estamos, xente. Cajache el amigo. Vale, es friendly.
Come out, look at them, quick and painless. Maybe this one will put up a fight.
Not even Grunt wants to join your cause.
Deal with him, my brothers. I will defend the Oracle.
Cállate, Doraku.
Not be silent.
Pute matar. Ah, será por ahí. Pensé que se pechara.
The heretics are mobilizing their air force.
Onward, Arbiter. We
Get
will
after
secure
their
this
leader, but
section of
watch
the
your
station.
back. I'm sending one of our phantoms to support you.
Déjame ver si hay algo aquí. Pues no, vale. Ya hubo tocado, ¿eh? Vale.
The heretics have weapon emplacements all over the facility, Arbiter. We'll take them out one by one until we find the heretic leader.
No aguantan dos tiros.
Request destroyed. Heading to the next target.
Ah, tío. Y me pilló por la espalda. Eso, tío, dame espalda, amigo. Dame toda espalda que poidas.
Request destroyed. Heading to the next target.
Ah, ¿dónde era? Preciso outra nave, eh?
No sign of the heretic leader or his band. We must keep searching.
Vale.
All heretic forces have been eliminated. Moving on.
Ah, tío.
All heretic forces have been eliminated. Moving on.
¿Por qué siempre me aparece por la espalda este pavo, tío? ¿Cómo fai?
All heretic forces have been eliminated. Moving on. attack the heretic leaders in this part of the station. Clear that landing zone and get inside.
Vale, por aquí, gente. Acabamos de pasar, ¿no?
What is it?
That stench. I've smelled it before.
No me queda claro si seguimos en la comisión o no, la verdad.
Caller.
Blood, de puta madre. Casi non temos espada, que putada. Oh, sí, baby.
What happened here?
Me have bad feeling about this. You always have bad feeling. You had bad feeling about morning food nipple.
Close your jaws, or I shall bind them shut.
Thief! Heretic!
Hold your fire. Hold your fire!
I wondered who the prophets would send to silence me. An arbiter. I'm flattered.
He's using a holodrome. He must be close. Come out so we may kill you.
Get in line.
Stand firm. The flood.
Bueno, 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 bueno. Mierda, me equivoqué, tío.
What have they done?
Pues no les parece que se entreteñan ahí sos.
I'll follow when our reinforcements.
Just parasites. Not even heretics would have come in and do this.
Merda. Eu penso que pasamos de misión, pero bueno. Vou a continuar e cortarei despois. A ver, entendo que estén picados un pouco comigo porque matase os seus compañeiros, pero, tío, facedevos a idea, sabes? O Flood é peor que eu, o Covenant, calquer cousa. A mí non me chillas así, eh?
Just felt the parasites. Not even heretics believe me that they do this. Are in peril.
Solo sobreviviches ti. Bueno,
Stand fast. Do you think to hide from me? Today, die. Fine. A challenge.
non quedou a arma aquí. Do robot, que putada. Ah, sí, quedou aquí unha. Non te motives tanto, amigo.
Help me, brothers.
Cuidado, que te me caes.
Worthless cur. Fine, monster, fine.
Fight, monster, fight. Hai que reventalo, se non reviven.
Come out, your death. Your death is at hand.
Tío, non pode ser máis cafre que terme unha granada. Veña, de un en un. Outro. E o terceiro. Ui. Eres o chistoso da pandilla.
Another here. How many is that now?
Pero non entendo, se o fulano liberou o Flood para demostrar que os profetas están equivocados. O sea, tampouco as pensa moito, eh?
Contemptible coward.
Acaban de suicidarse os dous. De que vas, ti? Atacando pola espalda. Non me queda moita espada, eh?
You are in peril.
Nos reventan. Veña, amigo, que superamos isto. Vale.
Is well hidden.
Que dis? Dunha hostia? Pareceme un pouco forte que dunha hostia me maten.
You could not defeat our lord, and you will not defeat us. Hateful creatures.
Uh. Ei, compi, vente.
We should have brought weapons to burn these bodies. Every one is a potential vessel for the flood.
Veña, non digas tonterías. O malo que as armas Covenant son unha merda para o Flood.
They have heavy weapons.
Socorro. Socorro, compañeiro. O meu compañeiro morreu. Merda. De onde saiu?
Hold your ground.
It's in cover.
Veña, babies. Vale. Meña. No es que quiera matarlos, pero atácanme. E creo que teño dereito a defensa. Vale.
The storm is about to hit. We cannot maintain our position. Bring the phantoms close to the mine. We are not leaving until the leader of the heretic. Robert, the flood has spread throughout the station.
En serio, as esporas non son invisibles para as esporas.
Leader, the storm is about to hit. We cannot maintain our position. Bring the phantoms close to the mine. We are not leaving until the leader of these heretics is dead. Robert, the flood has spread throughout the station. We don't have enough smoke to manage such a large infestation. Find the leader of these heretics. Kill him now.
Que tal, xente? Bueno, haberá que continuar. ¿Dónde saíron tanto? Non eran 4. Ah, sobreviviu un.
There, the heretic leader.
Tiña que ter collido outra espada.
This will save me from the storm, but you will be consumed.
Arbiter, where is he? Stinking floodbait boxed himself in tight. We'll never break through this.
Then we shall force him out.
How?
The cable. I'm going to cut it.
Get everyone back to the ships.
A tope.
Return to the landing zone. The Arbiter will continue upward, cut this station loose, and scare the heretic from his hole.
May our lords guide your hand.
We shall not forget your sacrifice.
Keep your blade handy. I doubt the cable will withstand this fight.
Whoa.
All my friends are in the air, Arbiter. Go ahead, cut the cable.
Vale. Creo que era esto. O sea, tamén un pouco o sistema un pouco así, sabes? Non a pensar no moito sistema de protección da infraestructura xeral. Hola.
One final cable, Arbiter.
Hostia. Cajámola.
That's it. The station is in free fall. The heretic leader is on the move. Do not let him escape. We'll stay with you as long as we can.
Aquí sí que hay barandillas, no te jodes. Non parece tanta distancia, verdade?
The heretic leader is on the move. Do not let him escape. We'll stay with you as long as we can. Alive for the crew, the truth, and the covenant. Are you still alive, Arbiter? We're keeping pace as best we can.
Veña, apúrate. Pa' ti. Dalle. tope. ¿Por qué fuxe? ¿Por qué fuxe? Voy a lanzarnos un Kiko. Como no Halloween. Combate Ball. Que non tiñamos que volver ao Pilar of Eternum. El pilar de la eternidad. Sí. Sí. Non escapa nada a xusticia do Covenant. Ah, non é por aquí. Que errante, xa teño suficiente co flot. Ui, se me acaba a espada,
Turn, heretic. Arbiter, I would rather die by your hand than let the prophets lead me to slaughter. Who has taught you these lies? The Oracle.
Hello, I am 343 Guilty Spark. I am the monitor of Installation 04.
Ask the Oracle about Halo. How they would sacrifice us all for nothing.
More questions? Splendid. I would be happy to assist you.
A verdade é que políticamente dispararnos para conseguir algo non é boa idea.
We'll make them see.
Vale. Esto é unha aliada,
That will send a message to the prophets.
Vamos a morrer moitas veces aquí, xa vos lo digo agora. Creo que es, Vale, penso que lle fixemos dano.
Their great journey. Come home. We have much work
Vamos morrer moitas veces. Oh!
Unfortunate. His edification was most enjoyable.
I had no choice, Holy Oracle. This heretic imperiled the great journey.
Oracle, great journey. Why do you meddlers insist on using such inaccurate verbiage?
That is the Oracle. So it is. Come, we are leaving this system.
Imos ya. Moi ben, xente, pois imos deixalo aquí, van dos episodios grabados de unha, así que fantástico, xa o editarei. E nada, o dito, aínda que este último non teña un que tan xintuza, pero bueno, aínda así, bebede agua para mantervos vivos, xa nos veremos na seguinte. Eso espero, se vos mantedes vivos, e que podedes deixarme like e todo, e toda a vaina. Así que, nada, graciñas por estar aí, dadelle like, suscribiros, e bla, bla, bla. Chao.